Hello students, I am Revati. Welcome back to my channel. Last video we discussed classification of data, ungroup data and group data. Group data is discrete data and continuous data. This video we will see explanation of ungroup data. That means raw data. Ungrouped data is data in its original form or raw form. That means the observations are not classified into groups. That means no organizations. For example, the ages of everyone present in a classroom of higher secondary level. Higher secondary level, the ages what? What are the ages? 16, 17, 18, that range only. Next one, the prices of food items in a hotel. These are all examples. Next one, definition of group data. In a group data, observations are organized in groups. Observations are organized in groups. Group data means observations are organized. Group data, two types. Discrete data, first one. What is discrete data? Data that can only take certain values is called discrete data or discrete values. Second point, this is data that can be counted and as a limited number of values. Limited number of values only. Third point, it usually comes in the form of whole numbers or integers. These values must fit into certain categories and this is the important point, cannot be broken into smaller parts. Cannot be broken into smaller parts. Discrete data cannot be broken into smaller parts. That's are whole numbers or integers only. For example, the marks obtained by 30 students of class 10th of a certain school in a mathematics paper consisting of 100 marks are presented in the table below. Marks obtained, number of students. Marks obtained 20, 36, 40, 60, 70, 74, 88, 93, 97. So number of students 20 marks. The number of students one student. 36 2 students. Number of students. Next one 8. 60 marks 2 students. 70 1 students. 74 3. 88 3. 93 4 students. 97 marks 5 students. So this and all example. Discrete data. This is discrete data. Next one. Continuous data. Definition. What is continuous data? Continuous data refers to data that can be measured. First point. Second point, this data has values that are not fixed. And have infinite number of possible values. Third point, this is important. These measurements can also be broken down into smaller individual parts. Discrete data means cannot be broken. Continuous data means it can be broken into smaller individual parts. For example, the height or weight of your students in a classroom. Next example, a class of students got different marks in a school exam. Marks, this is class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20 marks, 20 to 30 marks, 30 to 40, etc. 90 to 100 marks. Number of students 0 to 10 marks, 7 students got. 10 to 20 marks, 15 students got. This is under number of students, how many students will get. This is continuous data. Next one, definition frequency. Frequency is the number of times a particular observation occurs in the data. Listen, frequency is the number of times a particular observation. For example, this one 20 is the observation. Particular observation get number of times one time. 36 is the particular observation. How many times will get 2? 2 students will get 36. This is the frequency. So, frequency is the number of times a particular observation occurs in the data. For example, if 4 students have scored marks between 90 to 100, 90 and 100, then the marks scored between 90 and 100 have a frequency of 4. So, this is the number of times, 4 times. This is the frequency, 4 is the frequency. Next one, class interval. Data can be grouped into class intervals such that all the observations in that range belong to that class. X is the class interval, F is the frequency. Class interval 20 to 40, that range 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. The frequency 20 to 40 is 10, 40 to 60, 60 is 8, 60 to 80 is 16, 80 to 100 is 20. Next one, class width or class size definition. Class width equal to upper class limit minus lower class limit. For example, class interval 40 to 60, that range. This is 60 is the upper class limit. 40 is the lower class limit. So, class width is 60 minus 40. So, class width get 20. So, this is the definition of class width. This video. Next. Measures of central tendency. What are the measures of central tendency? Mean, arithmetic mean, median, mode. What are the measures of central tendency? Mean, median, mode. What is the purpose of central tendency? The purpose of the central tendency is to provide an exact representation of the entire collected data. You have learned to represent the data pictorially in the form of various graphs such as bar graphs, histograms and frequency polygons. This video over. If you have any doubt, tell me in comment section. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.